Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. NMC withdraws CBME 2024 MBBS curriculum, revised guidelines to be released soon. Amid allegations of the new MBBS curriculum being queer-phobic and non-inclusive, the Undergraduate Medical Education Board of the National Medical Commission, NMC, has withdrawn and cancelled the Competency-Based Medical Education Guidelines 2024 with immediate effect. Government doctors oppose juniors being appointed as HODs at Tiruvannamalai Medical College. Government doctors in Tamil Nadu are upset over the Tiruvannamalai Medical College Dean's decision to appoint junior doctors with less experience as heads of departments. Claiming the appointment violate regulations, doctors have urged authorities to cancel them immediately. This follows report that the dean of the concerned medical college appointed 4 junior professors as heads of department. ED raids the residence of former RGK Medical College Principal Sandeep Ghosh. The Directorate of Enforcement recently conducted raids at the residence of Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RGK Medical College and Hospital, along with several other locations in Kolkata. This action is a part of an investigation into financial irregularities at RGK Medical College and Hospital. The ED has registered a case under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act to examine money laundering charges against Ghosh, who is currently in the custody of the Central Bureau of Investigation. Maharashtra to charge private hospital for biomedical waste based on bed count. The Maharashtra government has unveiled a new policy to enhance environmental sustainability and public health safety. Set to be implemented in the coming months, this initiative aims to improve the management of biomedical waste statewide. Under this new policy, private hospital will pay for biomedical waste management based on their bed count. Implemented for 3 years, this fee structure follows a 2016 policy change and requires hospitals to contribute financially to waste management. Although the hospital sector opposed the move, the Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change supports it as a measure for improved waste management and environmental protection. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.